Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking a quick and easy taco soup, and I'm going to be sharing the recipe with you. This is going to be the first of many cooking videos in which I share recipes that you can cook in 30 minutes or less. That is my style of cooking at this point in my life because I'm a full-time student. I work, except for at the time being I am off for the summer, but I want to get in the habit of cooking quick and simple things so that it just takes the stress out of cooking. And so some of these I have found on Pinterest, but I might change them up a little bit. And if you're like me, you like to watch videos of people doing it so that you get it in your head better and it's just more fun. So that's what I will be doing. I hope you stay tuned and I hope you subscribe if you're interested in more cooking videos. All right, let's get started. All right, I have my ingredients here and my utensils. The recipe calls for half an onion, so I'm gonna have to cut this. 1.5 pounds of ground beef, but I used 2. A small can of black beans. I had to run to the dollar store this time instead of Walmart. They only had big cans. A 28-ounce can, or 2 small cans of diced tomatoes, and a can of corn. Oh, and a pack of taco seasoning. And tomato sauce, 8 ounces. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're gonna brown this beef and chop the onion. While my beef is cooking, I like to go ahead and open up the cans of the vegetables because that just saves more time. Alright, so the next step is to chop the onions. So you want to be prepared. You're not getting me this time. So we only need half of this. Doesn't have to be perfect because it's going in soup. Alright, and the next step is to add all of your canned vegetables into a pot, or if you're using a crock pot, you can pour them into a crock pot. And you don't drain them, you can just pour all of the juice in there. Like I said, usually I use a small can of black beans, but the dollar store just had a big can. Usually I go to Walmart. Just pour it all in. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. While I'm waiting for the onions and the meat, I'm going to go ahead and open my taco seasoning. I use the original. You can use whichever kind you want. I'm going to go ahead and add it to the pot of vegetables. The meat and the onions are done, so I'm gonna add them to the vegetables. Okay, so at this point you need to add water to make it more soupy. I just eyeball it, I just put however much I think, and you also turn it up to high so it can all get heated through. I usually heat it until it's boiling and then it's ready. All right, I heat it till it is boiling. That way I know that it is piping hot. This type of cooking is great for the unprofessionals, such as myself. All right, I topped it with some cheese. That is how you make quick and easy taco soup. Be sure to subscribe if you would like to see more cooking videos.